6:44 a.m. and palabas ako ng condo. I'll be traveling to General Santos today. It's 4 p.m. at kakarating ko pala. Grabe, napakalayo. But I think it's going to be worth it kasi sobrang ganda ng tutuluyan. Take a look at this one. It's 6:21 a.m. and I am having a tour here sa lakes mismo ng Lake Sebu, and early in the morning, and I'm riding a canoe here. I'm freaking out because I'm not good with balance, but yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this tour. Yeah, I'm wearing a native Dipoli attire for men, and we're going there. See you later. Here at the DOT pictorial site, these are the water lilies, and we've been taking pictures for like 15 minutes now and 30 minutes now, and yeah, it's kind of scary to balance yourself here in the canoe, but yeah, it's really scary, and I'm enjoying this experience. Look at this one. babalik na kami dun sa lugar na para bumalik na. Basta babalik na kami and I can focus kasi I need to balance. But yeah. So I'll be flying my drone in 5 minutes, I think, and my drone will be exploring this place because sobrang ganda, and will be providing you the greatest view, and I will be providing you a view na mas ma-appreciate nyo ang Mindanao and of course the Lake Sebu. Hindi, akala ko tatawid siya. We're here at the Tivoli Museum. It's a small house pero andito yung mga artifacts and some cultural items na available for the tourists to take advantage of and for the tourists to know the culture of the Tivolis. As you can see here, parang few meters away lang siya sa Lake Sebu. Pasok tayo. I played the kulintang. These are typically used for rituals, traditions, and some cultural events here in Tivoli. And this instrument is actually present across the Mindanao region of the Philippines. And as you can see, it sounds pretty well, and you can actually feel the culture behind it. Ako dito sa accommodation kasi kailangan mag-breakfast. I think I'll be spending my hour here, one and a half hours having my breakfast, tapos back to the adventure. Ganda. Uy, madulas. Yep, I am wearing the Fully male clothing again. Photo shoot, pictorial. Para sulit yung punta. Aside from work that I need to do, of course, I need to enjoy my travels. Kasi hindi naman lagi ako nakakapag-travel. Ako sa second falls sa Lake Sebu. There are 7 falls actually. Dito ako sa second. At ito yung pinakamataas daw na falls sa kanila. On to our last 2 destinations. I'm so tired na. But, here. Actually, bumili ako ng mga pasalubong for my office mates. May tela and bracelets for all of them. Well, most of them. Here. Here naman sa Evelandia or Evelandia Lake Vista. This actually overseeing the whole of Lake Sebu. And of course the lake that was out there, and of course the mountains. Tingnan nyo. biglang lumindol at nandito kami sa taas ng bundok. Medyo malakas yung lindol at kinabahan yung ibang mga tao. Nakakatakot din naman talaga, pero look at this view. Diba? Ang ganda. So if you're going to visit here, it's a must na i-hire nyo sila Kuya Jory, kasi
sila yung magdadala sa inyo dito sa mga gandang lugar, and they are really accommodating and they're really kind and really welcoming. Here at the Tinalak Weaving Center, and this is Tulay. She is the original dream weaver. And mag-isa lang ako dito sa second floor. No one wants to come here. I don't know. Okay naman yung view dito. So I am having sweet and sour chicken and rice for dinner habang umuulan ng malakas. Samantalang dun maaraw, dito malakas ang ulan. Really great. Dapat may live band ngayon, but of course maulan. It's 9:57 p.m. and I'm enjoying my stay here. But unfortunately, I need to leave tomorrow because, you know, I got stuff to do. But I really did enjoy my stay here at Dream Weavers Hill. As you can hear on my background, they have live band and it's so amazing. And I hang out with them and people are so generous. I should have stayed here for like around 5 days or so. This place is amazing. Lake Sebu as a whole is amazing. So I hope you can go visit here and enjoy the view and enjoy the people and enjoy the tradition. And then there's this pool, as you can see behind my back, behind me, whatever the English sucks, whatever. That's it, guys. I hope you can visit Lake Sebu as soon as possible, and I'll be putting a guide below so that you can be guided on what are the things that you need to do when you visit Lake Sebu. Bye for now.